On Sunday, Taliban forces held a military parade in Afghanistan's capital city of Kabul, using captured U.S. armored vehicles and Russian helicopters. The parade showed their ongoing transformation from an insurgent force to a regular standing army. According to a defense ministry spokesman, the parade celebrated the graduation of 250 new trained soldiers. The exercise involved dozens of U.S. M117 vehicles driving slowly up and down a major Kabul road, with Mi-17 helicopters patrolling overhead. Many soldiers carried U.S. M4 assault rifles. The Taliban operated as insurgent fighters for 2 decades. When the former Western-backed government ended in August, they took the large amount of weapons and equipment left behind to improve their forces. As the U.S. troops left, they destroyed more than 70 aircraft and dozens of armored vehicles, and they disabled the air defense. Between 2002 and 2017, more than $28 billion worth of weapons, ammunition, vehicles, and surveillance systems went to the Afghan government from the U.S. government. The Taliban also have some aircrafts. However, it is unclear how many are working.